is Malaysia's industry recognized green rating tool for building to promote sustainability in the built environment and raise awareness among developers, architects, engineers, planners, designers, contractors, and the public about environmental issues and our responsibility to the future generations. The GBI rating tool provides an opportunity for developers and building owners to design and construct green, sustainable buildings that can provide energy savings, water savings, a healthier indoor environment, better connectivity to public transport, and the adoption of recycling and greenery for their projects.
Here. So the Green Building Index are measured across 6 major areas, which is energy efficiency, indoor environment quality, materials and resources, sustainable planning and management, water efficiency, and innovation. So the first one is energy efficiency, which is to improve energy consumption, minimizing solar heat gain, harvesting natural light, adoption of renewable energy, and ensuring proper testing and maintenance. The next one is indoor environment quality, which is the good indoor air quality, acoustics, visual and thermal comfort, use of low volatile organic compound materials, quality air filtration, temperature control, movement, and humidity. So after that, the materials and resources, which is the sustainable materials, as well as proper construction, waste management system. The next one is sustainable planning and management, which is the appropriate sites with access to public transportation, open spaces, and landscaping, and no damage environmentally sensitive areas, reducing the strain on existing infrastructure capacity. And water efficiency, which is rainwater harvesting, water recycling, water saving fittings. The last one is innovation, which is innovative design solutions that meet other GBI goals.
Tun Razak Exchange. View of the proposed TRX Township. Project name Tun Razak Exchange, TRX. Location at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Applicants and proponent One Malaysia Development Sendirian Berhad. Award Green Building Index Township, Provisional Platinum Rating 2012. Brief project description. Exchange 106 is Malaysian latest skyscraper located at Tun Razak Exchange, TRX, the new financial and business hub of Kuala Lumpur. Standing at 492.06 meters tall above sea level and a total of 106 floors. This is currently the tallest building in Malaysia, preceding the Petronas Twin Tower. It's also the 6th tallest office building in the world. The Tun Razak Exchange is the new signature township of 71 stretch within the greater Kuala Lumpur city. The key feature in the center park, which is cover over 35% of the township and fully integrated with unlimited pedestrian and public transportation networks within 500 meters of the site, with more than 75 pedestrian leakage shaded. The township is also designed to reduce water consumption with community grey and black water recycling and provide the renewable energy for up to approximately 8% public utilities support by the integrated common utility system. As would you expect with modern structure, and Exchange 106 is also a GBI, Green Building Index, signify building that constructed with suitability in mind. This includes design elements that provided energy and water savings, better connectivity to public transport, as well as the apportation of extensive greenery alongside the building.
Garden terraces to provide biodiverse habitats and community gardens. A. Garden terraces to provide biodiverse habitats and community gardens. B. Community binding elements such as community allotments, a residential clubhouse, extensive facilities, and a community cafe. C. Greater efficiency of water usage and use of recycled water. D. Open leaf lobbies to maximize views, natural ventilation, and daylight. E. Reduce energy use through efficient lighting, plant, and equipment. F. Reduce release of toxic emissions into the environment through greater use of low volatile organic compounds, VOC, and sustainable materials. G. Targeting a GBI Gold and LEED certified rating.
Oke, saya bentang tentang building integrated photovoltaics. Photovoltaics is one of the promising renewable energy technologies in photovoltaics. Photovoltaics is a truly elegant means of producing electricity on site, directly from the sun and without a concern for energy supply or environmental harm. This solid-state device simply makes electricity out of sunlight silently with no maintenance, no pollution, and no depletion of the material. A building integrated photovoltaics system consists of integrating photovoltaics modules in the building envelope, such as roof or facade, by simultaneously serving in building envelope the material and also the power generator. BIPV system can provide the saving in material and also electricity costs, reduce of fossil and emission of ozone depleting gases, and add architectural interest of the building. The second one is radiant cooling. The floors of the building take on a cooling effect role thanks to insertion of embedded cross-linked polyethylene pipes in this building within the concrete floor slab. The radiant cooling and ice storage was charged at night and stored at the floor slab and also ice storage tank respectively. During the day, the source of cooling was distributed by the building control system to the radiant cooling and air conversion system respectively. Ambient cooling and evaporation during the night cools the water for use the following day. Radiant flow take advantage of effective temperature. Geo achieves 75% of its cooling requirement by radiant cooling, while the remaining 25% of its cooling requirement is achieved by the conventional air conditioning system, powered by electricity generated by its own BIPV system.
So the next one is lighting system. So, Sedia City Mall, Malaysia's first green certified shopping mall, is another example of buildings that adopt energy efficient lighting system developed by Lend-Lease, an Australian-based firm that will also develop TRX lifestyle quarter. The mall boasts a low wall to window ratio to maximize natural lighting, and energy efficient T5 fluorescent lamps are used throughout the mall's multi-level car park instead of the conventional T8 lamps. On top of that, compacted fluorescent bulbs are used in mall concourse instead of metal halide, and halogen bulbs commonly used in shopping malls. State-of-the-art lighting control system regulates lighting intensity to complement natural lighting conditions throughout the day. And the adoption of the practical green lighting strategy allows Sedia City Mall to achieve a very efficient annual BEI, which is Building Energy Index of 30 kilowatt hour point meter square, a significantly lower figure than the average of 450 kilowatt hour point meter square for commercial buildings in Malaysia. TRX is the first development in Malaysia to achieve both provisional GBI Platinum Township and LEED US Neighborhood Development Gold certifications for its overall master plan. Cutting-edge technologies will be adopted to ensure maximum lighting efficiency, among other sustainability plans in this future iconic financial hub of Kuala Lumpur. The future of green building development in Malaysia is very exciting indeed.
The conclusion for this case study is that we can get to know that this green building saves a half amount of energy. This is because it was designed to reduce water consumption with community-grade and black water recycling, and provides renewable energy for up to approximately 8% public utilities, supported by an integrated common utility system. As you would expect with modern structures, the Exchange 106 is also a GBI Green Building Index certified building that's constructed with sustainability in mind. This includes design elements that provide energy and water savings, better connectivity to public transport, as well as the adoption of extensive greenery alongside the building.
That's all from our group. Thank you for watching, and for the reference you can see at Exchange 106, an inside look at Malaysia's tallest building. And why should you choose to live in a green building in Malaysia? You can search at that. And building integrated photovoltaics BIPV, and Tun Razak Exchange. You can search that for our reference. Thank you.